Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope it's been a great trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure to fit your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right. So we're going to start off, we're actually going to start off with a couple of candidates or companies from yesterday. Amgen is the very first one that we're going to start off with. And we had a great bounce on Amgen in here today. Moved up, retest, bounce. We're in Amgen at 294.5. And we're out at 296.30. So on the really nice run up on that 5-minute candle there today. We backed off, pulled out of the trade. 296.30, nicey. And then Oracle. Fantastico. Oracle opened up about where it closed. Earnings, wham! No, it's actually not earnings. It's that bad. It was bad news though. The earnings are not going to be good, I don't believe, from what we heard today. So we opened up, we dropped, we retested, we failed. Boom, chaga-laga laka. What a move! What a move! What a move! We were out at that first fib line, and it kept running. We could have brought it all the way to the next one, but we were in at 246.75. 246.75, we're at a 241.40, $385.20 on that one. If we go down and look at our numbers, we've got 14,279.76 this year, 50 winning trades, 7 went against us, no break evens, 57 trades in total, $258.42, 250 is my goal, so we're right on track. One contract, folks. If you want to do higher numbers, do more contracts. All right, let's jump into today's candidates. S&P 500. So we back down right to that 64.02, 64.11.37 is where we closed today. Let's get rid of that orange bar. We don't need that for here. All right. So good setup on the S&P right now. We're in a bullish neutral bias rank of 1. The stars are aligning. Give me the bounce, break out of the 64.81, and I'll be a very happy camper. In alphabetical order, LNG is the very first one we're looking at today. There's the entire fib. It's been a great fib channel for months now. We violated this 230.99. We have been down to 222.91 before and bounced. So I'm looking at this here. I like the downside better. Although I will take the upside, I like the downside better. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. So we're going to grab a red pen. We're going to look for a small move down, a retest, and a fail. Right, take the trade off of the fail. Stop it somewhere on the other side of that resistance line of 231. If support's at 223, my target's going to be at 224. 224.5. You're going to pick where it best suits you. For the upside, small move up, retest, bounce. I'm going to take the trade as it breaks out of that 231 level with a stop down below. Resistance is at 237.5. My target's going to be right about 236.5, give or take. All right, so good little setup on LNG. Oracle, ORCL, we'll send it up again tomorrow. Would not be surprised if A, we had an overreaction today and went way too far down and we get a bounce tomorrow, which may cause a gap and we'll have no trade on it. But if we can pull down to it tomorrow and bounce, I want to be absolutely all over it. Right, so I like we're in bearish, so we're just going to go with the bearish one first. Break down below the 233.56, retest and fail. Take the trade off of the fail, stop above the resistance line. If support's at 225, my target's going to be at 226. We're talking about getting in at 232, let's call it, to make it easy numbers. That's a $6 move. That's really nice as far as an opportunity goes. If we bounce from here, pull back, ideal, pull back first, bounce, take the trade on the bounce. Stop down below support. Resistance is at 240. My target's at 239. 239.5. Somewhere in that area, we're going to wind up being. Right, and again, you'll set yours based on your risk. Sorry about the phone there, guys. Nothing I can do about it today. It's just crazy. If we look at our last one, TTWO. All right. Nice fib. Overall, really nice fib. I like the setup. We got to check if we need to fib it. We got 229 and 239 would be 10. Yeah, we do not need a fib in there. So Fibot would be splitting the level in half. I like this one better to the downside right now. Small move down, retest and fail. Take the trade off of the fail. Target stop just on the other side of the 228.82. If support is at 225, my target's at 226. So I don't have a lot of room to the downside here, guys, at all. So caution when it comes to that. On the upside, much more opportunity. Move up, retest, bounce. Take the trade on the bounce, right in there. Right, stop down below the 229 level. If resistance is at 237, my target's going to be right about 236. I would probably have it at about 235.5, somewhere around there. Right? And there you have it. Listen, I made the mention of the words Fibot, and I know some of you scratching your head saying, what the heck is he talking about? Go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. So our website is all our free resources are on there. There's a 3-part Fibonacci series you can download. It comes in 3 days, 20 minutes each with some exercises to do. You'll get it in your email, and it'll teach you what Fibots are, how they work, why they're so important, and why most traders will fail without using them. And if you want to subscribe to this, make sure you go ahead and do just that. Same place, tradinglikeaboss.com, or you can go to tradewithrob.com and subscribe right there. It is free, but you will also get all candidates. So today I just gave you 3, which is our norm. We have 21 candidates on our list today. You got 3. Those other 18, yep, I had to do the math in my head. Those other 18 you're not going to see. If you're a subscriber, you're going to get an email that says, hey, here's the ones that the video is ready, and here's all the charts with all the Fibonacci drawn on there. You're going to see where all the lines are, all the levels. You know exactly what to do. All right, have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one, and I will see you at the next update. Bye for now.